Hey guys, I'm gonna start doing some work on the car today. It's a little bit warmer than it was yesterday, so I'm gonna pull the fenders off. Hopefully I can get the doors off today, get a little idea of the rust. I do have another door. Issue is the doors I have on the passenger side doesn't have the provisions for the mirror, so I might have to drill some holes in it. I am gonna get the fenders off today and see about removing the doors. It is still a little chilly, so I'm not going to stay out here long. Alright, well, let's get to work. Let's figure out what size socket I need. Looks like it might be a 9/16. Moving the hood's gonna make it the easiest possible. The hood is lighter than I thought it would be, honestly. I'm just gonna set the hood right over here, a little bit out of camera shot. I did open that back door a little bit more, the garage door a little bit more, so that there's some more light coming in here. Let's go ahead and finish this. Now, I'm not entirely sure how this is all, the fender and everything is held on. I haven't removed it yet. I need a deep socket for that guy. But let's go ahead and just remove these bolts going along. Seem to come out alright, so I'm hoping. I'm just gonna set the bolts there. They're coming out alright, so I'm hoping that the fender, where the fender mounts, isn't too badly rusted. Looks like I spoke too soon, so I will need to grab vice grips right there, so that let me finish getting these bolts and I'll show you guys what happened. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. So right here, first of all, I can stick my hand inside the fender. You can see right there. And then when I was undoing this bolt, kind of fell through. Right here is solid. So we'll see. So I'm gonna finish getting this guy off. I do think I'm gonna have to pull this front fascia off here. There's gonna be a bolt somewhere back there. And there's at least one bolt that I saw by the door. Let's go ahead and finish getting that taken care of. There's a crack in it. I'm gonna have to do some patchwork. So when I put this back together, I'll probably find I'll go with a little bit larger actual bolt to pull it back together. A nice stainless one. I should have soaked these in penetrating fluid, but I didn't think about it. And that guy is gonna be. So they're still being held on somewhere here. Let's see. Okay. Looks like this grill needs to come out. something. It looks like there might be a couple screws in it. Yeah, there's a few screws. Issue here is that the arc never resets in there. There it is. So I pull these screws out. There's a couple more bolts. I need some settings in. Alright guys, so my phone died halfway through recording. It died before I removed the grill, so I did get the grill fully removed. Still don't have the fenders off. I'm going to have to grab an extension. My electric ratchet died and it's getting cold out, so I wasn't going to sit out there and keep working on it by hand. It's supposed to be 40 tomorrow. I'll bring my propane heater out and I'll get a little bit more work done. But yeah, so right now the grill is completely removed. I have most of the bolts for the driver fender, minus I found one on the lower front fender and one in the rear top of the fender. So I'm going to remove those tomorrow, see if that'll allow me to remove the fender. I'm also probably going to have to pop out that headlight before the fender can be removed.